Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing today? I wanted to come and do this video just so I can just, show people how you can just, because I'm always mixing up concoctions and mixing up drinks. And I really don't like how the strawberry and banana drink right there that I have, the health drink, I really don't like how they taste. And I really don't like how the carrot tastes. But by me combining so much of each one together, it balances the taste out. I mean, it balances everything out for me to where it tastes just fine. I mean, I know this right here, I throw the Simply is off in there because, it doesn't take much. Just a little bit of it is not going to hurt you. So if you just want just that taste, you can try whatever juice you want. But I got Simply that I'm using to pour just a little bit in my drink. So it, and it's working out just fine for me to be able to just drink it. Because I'm trying to just do this weight loss journey thing and eating. I've switched up my eating habits and changed up my eating habits and, trying to do something different. But I went to the store. They got all kinds of different kinds. I went to my local Walmart and got this. This is strawberry and banana kind, the Boathouse forms. It's a good flavor. And this tastes good. Apple, banana, mango. Has lemon in it, kale, spinach, spirulina, whatever that is. And it has barley grass, alfalfa grass. And, like I said, that. And I have this Simply here. And then this is the carrot kind. This one tastes good by itself to me. Now this right here, I can drink this one by itself. But like I said, I don't really like how it doesn't taste bad. Like I just don't really like how it tastes. So I just, doing some little mixing up and little mixing and matching up and whatever, and just for it to, like I said, to balance out for me. But try something, if you get something something that you picked up, if you're on your weight loss journey and you're trying to do something a little bit different, and if you don't like it, don't toss it out or throw it away. If you pick up something from the store and you taste it and don't like it, just incorporate something else with it. And it don't have to be that much of it. The weight's still gonna come off. The pounds are still gonna come off, okay? Everything is gonna be everything. Everything gonna be great. But I just wanted to just stop in to share with you all what I've been doing. And yeah, try it. Bye. Have a good day. If your day didn't start off great, make it great. Bye.